Last week, Claude Design shook the design tools world. So much noise around it that even Figma reportedly took a hit in stock value. And honestly, after trying it myself, I can see why. Claude Design is powered by Anthropic's latest model, Opus 4.7, and it can turn your ideas, documents, and screenshots into a polished website experience shockingly fast. Today, I'm taking an e-bike PDF brochure and turning it into a professional one-page website using Claude Design. Let's see how it goes. If you already use Claude on the web, you'll notice a new option in the left navigation bar called Claude Design. Click that and it opens the Claude Design workspace. This is where Anthropic is pushing beyond chat and into full visual creation. You can explore examples, design directions, style options, and even how it thinks about layout and design systems before it starts building. So let's test it on something real. For this demo, I'm using an e-bike PDF brochure as the input. The goal is simple. Create a premium one-page product website for the e-bike. I'm switching to Claude Design, creating a new project, uploading the PDF brochure, and now I'm entering a prompt describing the kind of homepage I want. I'm going for a sleek, modern, dark theme landing page with a premium product vibe, smooth sections, strong typography, and a clean, conversion-focused layout. And boom, Claude Design starts working. What Claude does first, it reads the brochure. Then it begins analyzing the content, extracting structure, understanding the product, and even building what looks like its own design system around the input. You can actually see it thinking through the process. It prepares a to-do list for the project, plans the design tasks, and starts generating the page section by section. This is one of the coolest parts. It doesn't just throw random UI on the screen. It works like an actual designer with a plan. First result. After a bit of processing, I got a surprisingly decent professional level web page. It nailed the dark background aesthetic I wanted. It added meaningful website copy, product sections, icons, and even an e-bike image. There was a theme selector, clean section hierarchy, and proper product storytelling throughout the page. And when I scrolled further, it even created a product showcase section where I could switch bike colors. And that color choice affected the visual theme of the whole site. That is seriously cool. All of this from a single prompt. Why it feels different. It didn't stop at just static design. There were small animations, page navigation, smooth scrolling, and hover interactions already built in. This didn't feel like a mock-up. It felt like something very close to a real production-ready landing page. That's where Claude Design starts becoming really interesting, especially if you want to move from idea to working design fast. Now, in my first attempt, there was one issue. Claude didn't read some of the images from the PDF properly. So I gave it a follow-up prompt asking it to improve the design and update the website aesthetics using screenshots from the brochure. I uploaded a few screenshots manually to help it better understand the product visuals. Let's see what happens. Claude starts working again. And just like before, it creates a fresh task list for the modifications and begins updating the design. Wow, just wow. This time it absolutely killed the design. It created a beautiful website using the uploaded images properly. The overall look matched the e-bike vibe much better. Sharper, more premium, more intentional. It auto-cropped the images intelligently to fit the website sections. In some places, it used only part of an image to make the layout look more aesthetic, and honestly, it worked really well. It also understood the specifications much better from the screenshots and presented them clearly across the page. The color options looked better. The visual storytelling improved. The site felt more cohesive and more like something a real design team would ship. I'm seriously impressed by the vision capabilities and design sense of Opus 4.7 here. Oh man, just imagine what it does to white coding. Finally, one more thing that I noticed. At the end, Claude appeared to run checks on how the page looked on desktop and automatically corrected some minor visual issues. That's a huge deal because it means this is not just generating pretty sections, it's thinking through usability and presentation too. The end result looked like a full production website. So, yes, if you haven't tried Claude Design yet, go check it out. Upload your idea, your PDF, your screenshots, and see what kind of website it can create for you. I'm honestly excited to see what people build with this. If you like this video, subscribe to Code with AI and share this with someone who needs to see how fast AI design is moving. See you in the next one.